Natural gas last week again traded bearish, showing a little swing. It has most importantly breached the critical milestone at $2 levels. It has moved towards 1.95. With the recession fears kicking in and already weaker demand for nat gas, it has continued to trade bearish. Now, what to expect in the month of August? Can we expect a further slump? Which can, in fact, because see, this is definitely a critical support. You can see that these are the levels from where the net gas has started the previous rise towards 3.5 zone, and now it is again back to this zone. Can we expect a reversal here? This is something which is going to be interesting. And what is going to be our strategy in order to profit trading natural gas? We are going to see with the help of charts and indicators. This is a monthly review and a weekly review where I am going to share the trading levels and strategy for the month of August and for the coming week. Do watch till the end. And those who are new to the channel, let me share. I provide twice a day updates and targets for natural gas. First with the Asia and Europe session, next with the US session. Thus subscribe and press the bell icon. Join the free Telegram channel for live updates and join the channel memberships here on YouTube to support the effort. Let's start. And yes, towards the end of this update, I'll be sharing the levels, so watch till the end. Look at the 4-hour charts on net gas staying bearish here. This is a bearish channel in which it is trying to trade. It has hit the lows here and bounced back, and also the highs are also beautifully respected here. Thus, it is very, very important for net gas to break beyond 2.2 any point of time in the coming week or in the month of August. If you see it is staying beyond 2.2 and then 2.3, then you can say now net gas is reversed. Else, right now it is trading in a bearish channel. If you look at the 4-hour chart, the drop, the retracement, the drop, the retracement, and the drop here. Now, definitely the bearishness has got diminished here. You can see this with the help of the tails which it has provided. Now, in the coming week, if you see it is staying about 2.0504 zone, you can initiate a buying entry. Be watchful of 2.08, 2.1, the first resistance zone, 2.12 and 2.15 the next. And any move beyond 2.15 is the only confirmation that it is trying to reverse. As right now I can say it is not showing any significant sign of reversal. The moving averages are definitely trading bearish here as well. The stochastic has come out of the overbought zone. The MACD is bearish trying to converge. It has not yet crossed over. The RSI is flat and near to bottom. Coming to on the daily charts, likewise, after a bit of retracement, it has crossed over on the sell side. Now, in fact, the 50 and 100 period have also crossed over, and these are trading with divergence. These are staying bearish. The 20 period now at 2.2, while the major resistance zone towards 2.4 exists here. And if you look at it, is delivering lower highs and it is delivering lower lows. Now, if you see the complete movement here, right now I can see the lows here are beautifully aligned. The highs here are aligned. The next lows are towards 1.9, but for that it needs to give a breakout. Now look at the last few days, the drop, the retracement, the drop here, and a swing candle here. Now this is closed at a doji at a significant support at $2 level. So from here either it could reverse or it can fall, but where you should consider this as a reversal, if it stays about 2.1 and then 2.2, you can say that it is reversing. Else it is not showing any signs of reversal. It is still trading in the bearish channel. It is still trading bearish, delivering lower lows, lower highs here. So that is the one observation. If you look at the stochastic, this is dropped and it is still looking downwards. While the MACD, this is only MACD which is staying flat here after the twin bottom. A good rise is seen here and a sharper retracement. Now after the retracement, I can see the MACD is still very much reluctant to cross over for a selling entry. It is still on the greener side. You can see the smaller hills here. You can find out that it is still trading in the green and it is failing to cross over. This suggests that there is a support there in net gas, and possibly in the coming week, if it gives a gap down and a sharper drop it starts with, then you can say now a crossover will be seen and it can move towards the further lows. The drop, the retracement, a crossover here can be extremely bearish. The RSI is already at bottom here. Coming to the week. On the weekly charts, the lows, the retracement, the lower lows, the lower highs, and net gas is trading in this bearish channel. Where are the lows for this channel? The lows are far below towards 1.4 levels. If it continues to trade in this bearish channel here, which right now is the sign here, and yes, it is trading below the median, that is also a one bearish sign. But now let's have a further look. If you look at the formation, see it has breached this retracement channel as well and now trading bearish. Now, if you look at the moving averages have started to diverge, and if you look at the weekly candles, the bearishness appears to have diminished. Though I will not say that it is vanished because it is delivering lower highs and lower, but I can say the gravity of the bearishness has diminished. And also, if you notice here, the 1.9596 zone is the zone from where we have seen the previous rise and a breakout after consolidating here for a week, for weeks. So now this is definitely is one significant zone which will decide the further direction, as if it trades below 1.95 you can expect 1.9, and then I will wait for this triple bottom levels here towards 1.72, and then there is a gap which needs to be filled here, which is towards 1.68. So yes, right now it is looking downwards, and right now I cannot say that it is showing signs of reversal. As long as it stays below 2.2, do not treat net gas as bearish, bullish. Now, if you look at the stochastic on the weekly charts, it has come to oversold, and whenever it hits the oversold zone, it always tries to recover, and possibly this could be one of the moments when it will start a reversal. Let's see. But look at MACD. MACD, if you look at after hitting the lows here, it has retraced here for weeks, then a further drop, then again a retracement, and now it is crossed over and it is trading with divergence, which is not a good sign for the bulls, as it is trading in red and looking downwards. The RSI has dropped significantly. Coming to monthly charts, if you look at the monthly charts, what has happened here? Drop, retracement, lower highs, lower lows. Also, the significant part here is the crossover in the moving averages, which has happened on the sell side after years. So this is definitely significant. And then the next important part here is the zone here. You can see this zone very critical for net gas. It is always found a bottom, multi-year bottom is available here. Now, if you look at the formation, a reversal sign, first bearish candle, and the current month it is already started on a bearish note. And once you see it is staying below 1.9, then we can say we will look forward to 1.8 levels as the next. And below 1.8, there is a possibility for it to keep moving towards 1.5, 1.4, hitting the lows in this month itself. A recovery is what you can expect from the coming month. But right now, I will say that still you have to be careful. The support levels are going to be very important here at 1.95, very good support. 1.9, 1.8 the next, and if it breaks below 1.8, then we can say more bearishness to prevail here on the down. Also, if you see this, just what has happened here, look at the lows which it has created at 1.6, and it has already formed a head and shoulders here. So the levels at 1.6 are the next milestone which we have to be watchful of. Stochastic here looking down, the MACD has stayed bearish for months and couple of years or more. Time for it to cross over, but it is not showing much signs. The current candle is going to decide the direction it is going to take for the next 2 to 3 months. The RSI is running flat. So now we have seen the charts, we have seen the indicators. Time for me to give you the trading levels and strategy for the month of August, so that you can all trade profitably and comfortably. And before I provide you the trading levels and strategy, if you want to learn this art of, join my mentorship batch. And if you just want to trade as per the signals, be a part of my signals channel on Telegram. Write an email or ping me over Telegram for your queries related to the services. Join the free Telegram channel for live updates. And those who had asked me to recommend a broker, the recommended broker link is also there in the channel and video description. It offers you all the diverse set of instruments from across the globe. It offers you a swap-free account, lowest spreads and no hidden charges, and easier withdrawals and with presence across the globe. So do join the recommended broker and enjoy trading. Now first, let's talk about the levels to buy. Only buying level here is at 2.02, with the first resistance at 2.05, and if it breaks this 2.05 zone, then we can say that we will be looking forward to 2.08, 2.11, and once it breaks out beyond 2.11, then I will look forward to 2.15. Any reversal confirmation or bullish confirmation or bullish signal here in net gas is above 2.15, where we will look forward to 2.2. See, these are all critical milestones. Beyond 2.2, it is directly 2.3, and if it breaks 2.3, just stay bullish. we can in fact look forward to 2.5 levels very very soon. But before that, I say that there are no such signs of a stronger reversal in net cash, though it is already at bottom, but it is trying to find out the further low. Now, considering this only selling entry here is at 1.95 levels, yes, you can sell here at 1.98 as well, but we have to be careful for 1.95. Once it stays below 1.95, we can expect 1.918, 1.88, and then below this 1. See 1.88, 1.86 here in this zone is going to be one critical support. Below 1.86 is where we can look forward to a drop towards 1.8, and below 1.8 it is going to be 1.76. This is the first. Below 1.76 it is going to trade strongly bearish towards 1.7 and 1.6. These are markets, anything and everything is possible. A drop towards 1.6 from the $2 levels is a 20% correction. Already we have seen it correcting almost 50% from the highs at 3.2. Thus, you should be trading with caution. These are markets, anything and everything is possible. Any drop below 1.8 is a strongly bearish sign here. And this also suggests that it can hit the lows in this month itself and then recover in the coming month with the onset of interest. So take your positions accordingly. Like, share, subscribe, and comment. Join my mentorship batch. Join my signals channel. Reach out to me for your queries related to the services. Join the free Telegram channel for live updates, and join the channel memberships here on YouTube to support the effort. Do not miss to watch the twice a day updates. Thus, subscribe and join the free Telegram channel. Thank you. Have a great profitable trading week ahead and a happy weekend. Thank you.